Thank you, Prashant. Dr. Uday Salunke, I request you to produce entrepreneurs. We will develop them. I will take a challenge. Anyway, friends, you must be seeing this panel is very, very important. Their discussion, their thoughts is very important. Everybody is going to play a vital role for economic growth of Maharashtra. Let's start from Aziz Khanji. Aziz Khanji is going to bring the industrial policy next month, which is a viable policy, which is a useful for policy for industry, and which will, compare to the other states where Maharashtra is getting a lot of investment. But I found that in MSME sector, we are a 3rd or 7th rank after UP. So that is also one point. We should increase the small and medium entrepreneurship in rural area and cities, near city. Third thing, you should project Maharashtra internationally. You means your government should project Maharashtra how the Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Gujarat is projecting at an international level. And next one is to take care of the problems of the industry. I know you are the still when you are there, definitely problems will be over. But the Maharashtra government, other departments should take up that problem and issues. Next point is Sri Ajit Paraswamy Saab. You have to play a vital role for next 4 or 5 months, whatever your tenure is available for Jaitapur project. Because law and order situation, Jaitapur project is very important. And you will be one of the important person for industry. Unless until power is not sufficient, we cannot produce the industrial output, or even we cannot reach the target level 8.4. We are thinking growth or nation growth. So I give you the I think I should congratulate you and support you for making good law and order situation in Maharashtra. Of course, Prashant is one of the entrepreneur, and he is going to also play a vital role for the economic growth of Maharashtra. And unless until he will not get the innovation and technological knowledge and outputs from Dr. Mashelkar, industry will not, people will go ahead. And for industry, if you want to go ahead, the infrastructure is required. Unless until L&T will not provide a good infrastructure, we will not go ahead. And Dr. Kakodkar Sahib, Monday you have to convince opposition party. All MLAs and MLCs in assembly, Monday you are going to speak in front of them. I request you to project the Jaitapur project is a viable project for industry, and I hope that seeing yesterday's Japan's problem, you have a lot of ideas and the clues to give them to not like a Japan will happen in India. And of course, Dr. Uday Salunke will produce the entrepreneurs and we will develop them. With these words, friends, I take opportunity to give thanks to Government of Maharashtra, especially to Aziz Khan Sahib. Give a big hand. Whenever you go to Aziz Khan Sahib, you will not be dismoved, or you will say, yes, I am happy. He is giving all support and doing all our work. And of course, MMRDA, MCX Stock Exchange, MIDC, Dr. Uday Salunke, WeSkill Knowledge Partner, Tata Motors, Fadnis Group, SIDCO, LIC, United India Insurance Company Limited, Arzu.com, print and electronic media, and of course, friends, all of you are sitting here for a long time. I know that this World Cup match is going on, but I try to accommodate this today's program in 2020, because this all stalwart will not come on the one dais because they are so busy, but I try to bring them, and I thought my aim or my objective of this today's conference is fulfilled. And through this, the deliberations, I am going to upload all the speech and the thoughts given by the speakers, so all of you can access that thoughts. With these words, thank you very much. I give a big hand to the panel and to all the supporters. Thank you, and let's meet next year. Thank you.
With that, we conclude this summit. Please proceed to the adjoining area for networking cocktails and gala dinner. I'm sure it was a fulfilling and enriching experience for all of us. This is Mansi taking a leave, bidding goodbye. Good night.